You're welcome to our lectures on Sociology of Education. In Sociology of Education, we have several lectures. For example, one lecture about meaning of sociology, the origins of sociology. We also have a lecture on the sociology of education, and then also a lecture on the relevance of education. And then we'll move on to see the impact of the sociology forces on education. And under that, we'll see the nature of society, the sociological environment and the academic achievement, and then the socialization process, and the adolescent problems and dropout during the first phase of this series of lectures on sociology. I'm going to dive into our first one that I'm going to focus on, and that is going to be the relevance of sociology of education. In other words, why are you studying sociology of education? Why is this unit on the syllabus? That's a very key thing that we are going to have a look at in a short while. So I encourage you to follow along in your notes as we embark on the relevance of sociology of education. Now, sociology of education is taught at teacher training colleges. Why is it a key unit within the course component of what are described as the foundations of education? You know, in foundations of education, for example, you have comparative education, you have education administration, you have philosophy education. Why is sociology important? We're going to digest that at a significant level. Now, within sociology of education, we are studying the culture and society. When we study the culture and society, it tells us that each society is unique. And because each society is unique, therefore the cultures also differ from one place to the other. Because of our understanding the culture, the uniqueness of each society, we are best placed to prepare students of varying backgrounds within our school so that we accommodate the varied differences and they can live harmoniously with other fellow students. Therefore, sociology of education plays a role in forging and promoting unity and cooperation. It tends to eliminate the sectarian tendencies which would prevent peace and the spirit of patriotism, so to say. Sociology of education also helps you as a teacher to better your methods of teaching, to better the manner in which you deliver content that you teach to your students. Why? Because through this study, you come to appreciate the child's environment, playing a key role in the performance of the child within school and within the classroom. Therefore, you will apply different modes in handling learners of varied backgrounds. For example, high social class or low social class. Furthermore, sociology of education helps us to find out what may be going wrong in our students, in the lives of our pupils. It therefore prepares you to have the skills of interacting with these adolescents, communicating with them, developing confidence in them, so that they, instead of confiding in their friends, they rather confide in you. And because you can identify the sociological problems of these young ones, you can best offer guidance and counseling and thus be in position to deal with them. Sociology of education helps us to know that within society there are groups, and therefore you will encourage students within the school environment to form meaningful groups, that is, groups that will help them to achieve the school goals and the parent and individual goals. Sociology of education best places us as teachers to see our role in society and we fit in, and also to help children, to help the students to know their roles in society and best fit in. What is the purpose? What is the significance of education in society? Sociology of education helps us to teach with a purpose. You know that there is a curriculum that we use to teach. Now, because of our learning this course module of Sociology of Education, we can best appreciate the importance of the academic curriculum and the non-academic curriculum within school. So we shall not simply push only the academic curriculum and forego other disciplines like MDD, sports within a school setting. Yes, Sociology of Education is going to help you to see, to identify your role as a teacher within a community, to appreciate how schools relate with the community. Yes, we will come to know the academic and non-academic roles. We will come to appreciate you as a guide, you as a counselor, you as a leader, you as a disciplinarian, a facilitator, and an evaluator. I hope now it is unfolding before your eyes why sociology of education is important. Within education institutions, there are sources of conflicts. How are these conflicts going to be avoided so that the teaching experience is enjoyable? You decided to pursue this career, it needs to be enjoyable. Sociology of education will help to identify these conflicts. Young ones do not automatically fit within the society. There is a process of socialization, the agents of socialization. So, sociology of education identifies your role in the socialization process of these young ones. Yes, in so doing, they are best prepared to be members of the society. Now, sociology of education prepares you to manage your classroom effectively. Within a classroom setting, we shall see later, there are different dynamics. For example, within a class, there are subcultures based on academics, subcultures that or delinquency in nature. I mean, there are those young ones that are quite stubborn. They think about sex, they think about dishonesty, stealing, smoking. So, because of the sociology of education, you come to appreciate the different subcultures and encourage the young ones to avoid those subcultures that are not impacting education, but rather those ones that promote. Let us sum up the relevance of sociology of education. We have said that sociology of education is the study of society and its culture, and this helps the pupils to accommodate each other. Two, we said because of the study of sociology of education, it promotes peace and unity and cooperation. There is improvement in the teaching methods to match the different pupil background. The schools of the skills of interacting with the adolescents and offering them the necessary guidance and counseling is made possible because of this course. Furthermore, because of sociology of education, it teaches you to teach with a purpose, both the academic and the non-academic subjects. Your role as a teacher in the community is highlighted. You're going to enjoy your teaching because you know the sources of conflicts, and it helps your pupils to fit within society, that is socialization, not forgetting finally that you manage your classroom effectively. That's the summary of the relevance of sociology of education.